Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I think you're muted,
Hi.
Rosa.
Are
Yes,
you? Yeah, okay.
I hear you now. How are you?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All good?
Yeah, tough week so far.
Yeah.
But yeah, still in the markets. But very
Uh,
difficult week.
it's gonna be the
Gold.
two of us today,
I
most
I've
likely.
been trying a bit. Yeah, it's a there's a fight. So I was expecting a drop off. Didn't. It did happen, but not to the level I was expecting. And then it seems like bulls are in charge now.
Yeah.
And I couldn't see the reason. So I haven't been able to read the market properly since yesterday. Yesterday, I was brutally out of the market in like 30, maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes.
Yeah? Like stopped out, you mean? Or like
Stopped out, yeah,
yeah?
twice,
Oh
twice.
wow.
And it was like, wow.
So you stopped
Um,
for the day.
stop. Let me say because I don't even remember. It was brutal. Like twice, I got stopped out at 4207, roughly.
4207.
4207, and it was like, what?
Okay, since we are sharing our emotions, I got stopped out on my Euro USD trade today. Uh,
Oh,
but it was break even, so that's fine. No big deal, because I like the entry was good, so I had the luxury to place it at break even. It wasn't actually break even, but like it was like 10 pips above break even. But because I was shorting euro, so the swaps compensated for those 10 pips, so it's basically
okay.
nothing. Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah, but now I'll be waiting for. I thought I had my entry, but I will have to wait till next week after the Fed, because now the markets are pricing in an 87% chance that they will cut rates next week.
Hmm.
So let's see how that goes. And next year, next May, the new Fed will, the new Fed chair will get hired and will start. We believe it will be Hassett, as it's a it's a Trump hire anyway. So this guy will, like, I think, will slash interest rates, um, which could be good for borrowers, but not very good for the US dollar. That's pretty much it. I think yesterday's close on gold was negative. Um,
Yeah, the figures I gave you, that's been from this morning. One stopped out from this morning. The
hmm.
yesterday's, let me show you the screen so you can see the stupidity. And no, no, it was like I still can't believe myself.
No, but was it something because like you did something wrong, or is it like
Yeah, yeah.
yeah? What
I
was the mistake?
Wow. Let me show
Okay.
you so everyone can laugh. Well, not laugh in the sense of
Learn,
laughing, just learning.
learn. Yeah.
It was brutal. Honestly, I'm still uh, accepting what happened yesterday. Did you see the screen?
Not yet.
All right.
Yeah. Now it's there.
Okay. So my stop loss was here. Run. Let
Okay.
me a zone, so an area like everyone can watch it better. So it was here. My first entry on a sell because I thought, okay, I just started reading the market and I thought this is going down, deeply down, as it did.
Yeah.
Then I put my first entry here. As you know, I have three entry points. So
Yeah.
this
You layer it. Yeah.
first entry point, second one, third one,
Okay.
all good. For some reason, I started reading these candles in the worst way possible. I still don't know what happened in my mind because there's nothing in here. Not up until this point. There's nothing you can tell markets going up. And
Okay.
I double checked with some of the brokers with things I have on screens, and I for some reason I
Yeah.
just cut down. I just went all out from my selling and I started buying. And you can
But
see these
why?
are buys. I still don't understand what happened. And I'm going to be very serious with you about what it could be the reason later. But
Okay.
so I did buy here. I got stopped out in 4 or 5
Okay.
minutes. But then I didn't had enough, have enough. So it was like, why don't I suffer a little bit more? Why don't I stop and then I analyze what happened? Because at this point, when I saw this stopped out, when I was stopped out here,
Mm-hmm.
I thought, wow, what happened? Because I was selling and then I changed my mind very quickly for no reason
Okay.
at all. So I wasn't happy enough. Then I did buy again, and you can see
Okay.
the results. So and then I stopped trading for the day.
Okay.
The worst part is I do some replications on my personal account, so
Yeah.
it was a nasty
It
day. Yeah.
wasn't just prop money, yeah.
No, it was personal. It's always personal. I
Mm.
don't usually trade prop firms on its own. So I got honestly like I couldn't believe it. I had to stop. I went for a walk. I shut down the computer completely, even the server I have. So I shut down everything. I didn't want to go in the charts anymore, and I still don't know what happened. But
But I think
then,
you like you reacted brilliantly. You turned off the computer. You went out for a walk. That's the prescription for anyone who's like who's faced a loss and is feeling something. By the way, sometimes
yeah,
you get stopped out and you don't feel anything. Like
yeah,
it's fine. You think you still have more in you, but sometimes you just get stopped out and like no, I'm done for today. So some people will just like decide that they will revenge trade and make back the loss and end up like digging deeper in that rabbit hole. But what you did
yeah.
was brilliant, actually. You decided that no, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna go for a walk. That's exactly what everyone should do. If they're
Honestly,
trading.
I
Yeah,
started feeling at this point, after this stopped out, I started feeling like it wasn't myself. Like this is not me trading. What's going? Who's pressing the buttons
yeah.
for me?
Who's
And
moving me? Yeah.
yeah, who's moving everything? And yeah, I got out of control mentally. Like
Then it's not your day to trade. Then it's
no,
not your day to
no,
trade. No.
yeah, I had to stop. It was 1% on this account, so it's nothing serious. But it's not about the end money. It's about the process. Like what happened to
What
me
happened there?
yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah,
What
I
happened there?
still don't know. But um I've been on my own with kids for nearly 7 days, and still 7 days more to go. Completely on my own, so it's a lot of pressure. House, kids, work,
Mhm.
anyway. But I think the reason is I stopped going to the gym last week because I was on
Oh,
my own, so I didn't have the time. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning, so I'm at the gym around 6:30 in the morning.
okay.
I do nothing, honestly. Sometimes I just grab a coffee, have a shower in the gym, and do absolutely nothing else because I don't feel like. But I stopped this routine. I usually have at least I don't know 2, 3, 4 times a week. And as I said, it's not because I do some classes or anything. Sometimes I just talk to people there with
Okay.
people I know at the gym.
Do you think this is one of the reasons?
Yeah, yeah, because I've been feeling like something's missing in my life for the last week and a half. So it's like, I wish I could go to the gym. I wish I could go. And I've been thinking that in the back of my mind. So
Mm.
I don't know if this is the reason, but honestly, That was a perfect reading of the market, and it's when a trade doesn't work my way, I don't usually feel that. It's like, oh, it did
Mm.
okay, it's within the plan. That's it.
Yeah, I think you felt that because you didn't follow your plan,
Yeah,
or you didn't
but
follow your usual routine
yeah. So it
or your
wasn't
usual.
just a loss. It
Yeah,
was an unexpected loss.
yeah,
And it's not about the loss, it's about the process, because you see my initial recognition of the market was spot on.
yeah.
And I might take profit for this trade here. It was a bit longer than usual, and it was here, around here.
And it hit it. Yeah,
And it, yeah, here. And it hit it. So it's
yeah.
like, oh, ah. So yeah,
Yeah,
that was
I
my
know
day.
this. I know this emotion. You have to stop trading. We're not trading today. We're going to discuss this, and we're going to let you vent a little bit.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
yeah,
I've
because
been trading this morning, but
no,
with very, very
because now
low.
now you're talking about what if I
Yeah,
if I left my original trades, I would have like went out on a profit. So
yeah,
that's not a healthy mindset to enter the market with. So I think you're not trading today, which is something that like I admire in you very much. That you know yourself, you understand that something was off. You didn't feel yourself today. Um,
yeah. It's
something felt off because you didn't follow your plan, so you decided to stop trading. Like you didn't let your ego interfere in this, and
yeah.
like, no, why would I do that? No, I'm better than
And
this. Let me win it back.
and
So
honestly, you can see this is today. This is the two trades I took today,
mhm,
also on my personal account. That was the first one. That's
yeah,
it. I let me say shitty because I don't even know what's that. So that's when I realized, okay, just take it easy today because you're not flowing with the market.
yeah,
Something's going on wrong with you. I don't take these shitty trades usually.
yeah.
And then I took another one, very very low leverage, very very low risk, and
Okay,
that was spot on. That was
yeah,
perfect.
this one worked. Yeah.
Yeah, this one, but not because it's a take profit. It's because it's well executed.
Mhm.
But that one, I don't
But
even know what it
this one
is.
happened after the trades you showed me minutes
This
ago.
trade happened yesterday, the day I was. So yesterday is when I went out of control.
uh
This
th-
morning I
this
came
is
back.
today.
Yeah, this is today.
Okay. So no, you're good. Since like,
So the first trade, it wasn't spot on. It was like a, what's
but
that?
I think you're going to stop trading for today, right?
Yeah, yeah. I probably on my personal account, that's for sure. I won't trade
You
on
know
my.
what I always say. You're as good as your last trade. Your last
Yeah,
trade is spot on, so you're as good as that. You're spot on.
no.
Um,
That was spot on. Very low risk. So I just took a few dollars. It's fine. But I wanted to test my
really great.
skills again, just to see that. That's usually something I do. I don't know if you do that.
You are as good as your last trade. Yes. So you are okay. Don't panic. Tomorrow is a new day, and
Yeah,
tomorrow you'll make money. Um, but like I can't stress this enough for like everyone listening or everyone watching, guys. What Rosa just said is actually it's pure gems. Honestly, people don't tell you that. People don't share their losses with you just because they don't feel comfortable or they're not confident enough to share their losses with you.
mm,
And it's not only the loss that matters here. The reaction to her like emotional roller coaster that she went through um, is actually spot on. It's amazing. That's what I was trained to do, and that's what I train people to do, which is just like turn it off and go for a walk. That's number one solution. That's like
yeah.
hats off, Miss Delgado.
Yeah, and I don't know if you do that, but when I'm like now, I'm not sure of what I'm doing. If I'm still, because sometimes the market behaves different and you stop dancing with the market, like the flow is not there for a scalper.
Yeah,
So apart from stop trading like I did yesterday or I'm going to do today, what I very quickly do is I downsize, even
yeah,
in my
yeah,
personal
yeah, yeah.
account. So, but
That's
to the bare minimum, to micro lots. Even if I only win, because with this trade here, which is spot on, I only made, I don't know, $10. It's
that is
it,
okay. That's fine.
that's
Uh,
okay because the point of that is just testing me if we are both in the same
yeah,
page, the market and myself, we can dance together again.
yeah,
So this is something I do very quickly. And if I do not recover my point with the market in 1, 2 days, then I take a few days off, complete off, and I print out literally on a paper the last 5, 10 trades, and then I study what's going on with my behaving. Is it me or is it the market? And
you know, I'm
because it's
gonna I'm gonna say a bold statement here. Um, you don't trade like institutions, but you think like institutional traders. You do.
oh
Like
really? Why?
because the way that you analyze yourself, your own self, is amazing. Like if no one taught me how to do what you're doing now, I wouldn't know, or I wouldn't just come up with it. But you naturally came up with it, and you understood what's right for you and what's the most efficient way to deal with this emotion or to deal with this situation. So you came up with it, I think, on your own. I don't know if anyone taught you this, but I've been taught
No.
what you just said.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's my statement for today.
Okay. Well,
Rosa, the
thank
institutional mind.
you. The factory girl with
Uh,
institutional mind, right?
Yeah, yeah. I really admire you with
It's
all my heart.
it's because money is at stake. So
Yeah,
um you have to, for scalping or even intraday, um you have to dance very close to the market. You know when you are with two people and you danced very close to each other,
yeah.
like
You might
together
step on
together,
their feet. They might step on yours.
and you have to be very synchronized to not
Yeah,
do anything wrong.
yeah. To
So
not
this is
fall,
me.
for example.
Yeah.
I've done
So
that before.
so
Yeah,
this is me on the market. That's why I have to stop immediately because otherwise I'm not sure I'll be able to perform as I have to tomorrow morning. So that's why I'm going to analyze my trades. The last trade is perfect. I'll keep with low risk tomorrow, and depending on how it goes, I'll start increasing my risk again the day
yeah.
after.
I think that's the way to go because like whenever it's not a losing streak. You cannot call this a losing streak,
No,
but
it's
it's
not.
like it's just like something went wrong. Let's call it that. So,
Yeah,
so the best thing, as you said, to leave like at the same moment, and then later on, when you go back to trading, you go back with lower lot size, lower risk, uh,
mm,
and then once you start like going on a winning streak, you start upsizing your positions. And once you gain
mm,
your confidence back, or not your confidence, once you feel that you're flowing with the market as you should, you start trading your normal risk, or your normal risk
yeah,
amount.
yeah.
So yeah, I hope people are listening carefully to what you just said, because it's really really important, guys. Okay, let me share my screen and show you
Sure.
what I like. I have some theories.
All yours.
Thank you. Okay. Hello, Saif. Rosa. Hello, Saif and Rosa. Hello, Mr. Abby. Yesterday I took amazing sell
Amazing.
gold around. Good
Wow.
for you, my
Yeah.
friend. Very important. Self awareness is very important in trading. Yes. Nasdaq will do. Lots on gold. Yes, will do. USD JPY. So we have Nasdaq and JPY, and now we're going
Mm,
to go through gold.
Okay.
Um, yeah. All right. So let's start. So I have a theory. Remember the triangle that we had on gold back in August? This one here,
Mm.
the
Ah,
one
yeah.
I traded. That was my entry here, somewhere around
Yeah.
here. I think I'm not sure. We're doing something similar here. So let's go down to 4 hours. My original trade is still going. Nothing changed, but I'm looking to like add to my positions because once this one breaks, this pattern breaks to the upside, we will start seeing like crazy moves to the upside. Remember when this happened here, when it broke here, look what
Hmm.
happened. Like
It's crazy.
yeah, so I'm waiting for like a similar move, but I want to add to my positions. So what I have here is good. So far, it's good. My stops are moved below, right below this area, which is very close to my break even. Um, but now I think we're done with this leg, and we were done with the second leg, um, mainly because on the daily, if you can see, we saw like a strong rejection from this area. Let me show you without the drawing. Um, we had a strong rejection from here, and yesterday we closed below yesterday's low. No, before we closed below the low of before yesterday.
Okay.
What's today? It's Wednesday, right? Yeah. So we closed yesterday. We closed below Monday's low,
Mm.
which is a very bearish sign. And I think we're minimum going to see 160 again that we saw yesterday. And my theory says if we go back to here to 4 hours, I think we're moving down to this area, which is 4,090, 4,100, maybe a little bit more. Sometimes it overshoots, but if I get an entry somewhere around here, my stop loss is here, like it's below 4,000. Um, like if this happens and then this happens and it starts going down, I will be 100% sure that this is the pattern I'm looking for, and I will like enter like with the, like most of my risk here on this level with my stops here. Let's see it on lower time frames. So my theory says we might be going towards 4,090, which is a deeper correction than what we saw
Okay.
yesterday.
Okay.
Um, let's see if
But
that's
you're waiting for 4120, kind of? 4120?
4100. 4100 is
4100 just to go
yeah,
in. Okay.
yeah. I'd like to add to my position, which is somewhere around here. But of course, I will look for an entry here. I will look for like a setup. I will not just enter
Mm-hmm.
blindly. Let me check something. Yeah, it's still okay. So we have this high of 230, which
Yeah.
rejected the price, rejected gold's price twice. This is an important level. I just placed a what's it called, an alert.
An
So
alert.
once this is broken, we might see a correction towards this area, which is 250, and then we go back down, or we don't break this and we start going down right away. Let's go down to lower time frames and see how it might look like. I doubt it will break this. Let me check the daily 1 second. Um, so yesterday's high was 4,237 or 36.
Yeah.
So we don't want to break this. I think this is like an important level. Um, if this gets broken, it means that this engulfing candle is fake. So I wouldn't rely on it anymore. But as long as it's like holding the like the pressure on gold price, I will consider it as an engulfing candle. Um, Let me check here what's going on. Go down here. You know what? I don't want this here. Visibility, remove it. Okay, yeah, now it looks much better. And no. Um, okay, now we're good. Now it's much cleaner. On the 1 hour, we're still very bullish on 1 hour.
Mm.
I see 30 minutes. Okay, we have some resistance here. We have some resistance on the 15 minutes also. You know what? It's a good place to be looking for sells once you get a setup here. So I might enter some trades today, but like I don't feel the urgency. If I get something very clear, then I'll do it. Otherwise, I'm okay if I don't trade at all today. Um, yeah, you know what? I think we will not break this level, which is 330.
3:30.
Yeah, I think we will not break it because this is a proper reversal from this level with an
Okay.
engulfing and a retest and 5 waves to the downside. So I think what will happen is we're going to get a rejection
3:30.
or a reversal somewhere from this area. So let's watch and see. Nothing to do now. We're just going to watch.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
expecting a rejection around so 42.14, kind of 14.
14
Yeah,
rejection to the upside, you mean?
yeah, rejection. So I'm expecting the rejection, and then I'll buy if there's the opportunity around 14.
But just not to confuse the people watching, you're going to buy with very small lot size just to get
If
in the
so,
flow.
if I end
If
up buying, because
yeah,
and my risk will be one micro lot, so 0.01, like
and your
two
stop loss
dollars.
is at 42.10, right?
Uh, kind of, yes, like between 50 and 75 pips.
Yeah, I think
10,
10 is a
10,
good place.
10, 14, yeah, kind of 40, 50 pips. Yeah, I'm just testing myself today. So it's not a day making money.
Hmm.
But I don't like thinking like, oh, because I had a bad day, I won't enter the market. So I have to keep working on what I know, what I do for a living,
Hmm.
just reducing the risks so I don't expose myself more until I'm not feeling again comfortable.
Hmm. Yeah, that makes sense.
Someone saying in the chat, I am the worst trader ever. Yeah, probably. I'm
Rosa
not
is the
sure.
worst trader. No, she is not. Um, I met Rosa here on the live streams. I don't know her before. So what I'm going to say now is not because she's my friend or like I'm just you are my friend now, but like we don't go way back.
No.
Rosa, I mentioned this even behind her back. I told some friends if Rosa goes to a bank and works in a bank as an institutional trader, as a scalper, the way she works, she would clean up. They will fire the whole team and keep Rosa. That's what I said behind your back. I swear to God.
Thank
So
you. It's a lot too
that
much.
no, so Nova Trader, back at you. You are the worst trader ever, but we still love you.
Yeah,
Now,
it's
yeah,
very difficult. Yeah, when someone loses, but it's important, as I always say, any of you, if you're looking for a mentor, look for a mentor that teaches you how to lose.
yeah,
Because on the winning trades, it's that's fine, that's the easy part. But teaching you how to lose and showing you losses and after losses, because this is my daily thing. So I lose
yeah.
nearly every day, at least one trade out of two, out of three, out of four. So it's very important. Just these are just trades. So
Exactly.
Still going up, I see gold. Someone was asking you about Nasdaq,
Yeah,
Saif.
yeah, I will move to Nasdaq now.
Great.
I think I'm done with gold. Whereas here's Nasdaq. We go to daily, of course. We start with the daily always. Okay, so we're still in an uptrend. The price is above all moving averages and even above the bands, which are like 5 EMA high and 5 EMA low. So it's a channel. It's outside the channel, which is a bullish sign. Um, Outside the channel from the top side. That's on the daily. It's very bullish. Um, I believe we'll see a new all-time high most probably before the end of this year, because coming up we have the Santa Rally. I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but the Santa Rally is basically the last 5 days of the year of December plus the first 2 days of the new year. So it's 7 days where the market just like starts rallying for no obvious reason, but there are some theories, of course. Um, Optimism for the holiday. Some theory would say that pension funds um, like inject some money into the market at the beginning of the year. Like there are some and rebalancing for portfolio managers. Some people would like buy and like position themselves before a year end. So yeah, there are many theories, but historically it happens a lot, and they call it the Santa Rally. So it rallies the last 5 days of December and the first 2 days of January. So I think by that time we will see a new all-time high on Nasdaq, S&P 500, and even the Dow Jones. So yeah, that's basically my, let's say, medium-term analysis or short-term analysis um, on Nasdaq. Now let's go to very short-term because I think that's what you want. Still trending up, higher highs, higher lows, but I don't like how this looks. Do you see, Rosa, how like it's not very doesn't look very healthy to me. Like jumps, then goes back down, and then jumps and goes.
Yeah.
Like it has a lot of like it looks more like stairs than a trend.
Hmm.
So like it's I don't know if you understood what I'm trying to say, but
Yeah.
look, that's stairs. That's not yeah, that's a staircase.
It's like a jump after a jump, and when
Yeah,
this
then
happens, you
consolidation,
never
then
know when
jump,
it's
then
going to fall
exactly, then
rapidly.
like consolidation, then jump, then consolidation,
Hmm.
then drop, then consolidate. I don't like this. I wouldn't trade it, to be honest. I like clean trends, which can be found on FX pairs, on gold, but this no. I'd rather like buy it long term. Only buy it, by the way. Yep. I think we're starting to see some weakness here. So we might be correcting soon. Let me check. Yep. I think we're seeing some, like, as you can see here, the liquidity is thinning. It's becoming less and less. So I think we might be looking at a short-term correction. Let me see the 1 hour. I think, yeah, this level, the 50-day moving average, we might be going to 25,450, which is 150, 160 points from here, which is very good if you're scalping. So as long as it's above this low, which is 550, keep buying. If it gives you a setup to the downside, I would sell with targets around 25,450. So yeah, I hope I answered your question and analyzed it the way you want. Okay, what else? Someone asked for USD JPY analysis, right? Okay, so what happened today is the following. we saw a break of the 99 level on DXY, which is the US dollar index. Um, that's why my stop loss on euro got hit because, or got filled because, let me show you. It's easier to show you than explain. So yeah, this was like the pivot point, let's say, on the DXY. Once it broke this, look what happened on euro. This was the exact same point, but the opposite. So when the DXY broke below, this broke above. That's why I had my stop at 1.1660. That's the original stop loss, but I moved it here to 1.1660. So that's why it got hit, and I think I've done a good job in like moving my stop or trailing my stop loss down to 11660, because now I think we'll keep going up, possibly make like a double top or something before starting to go down. So why am I explaining this? Why am I talking about euro while you asked about USD JPY? Because I'm trying to tell you that the USD broke below today. So we might see more weakness on this pair, which is USD JPY, which is good for the JPY, all the way toward like 153, maybe, because of what happened today, because of the break today. Or depends how it closes today. Maybe like it closes green today. We'll have to wait and see. But overall, yeah, I think that's what's going to happen. We are trending down, lower highs, lower lows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Yeah, so I think we're going down. We're going down for now at least. For the coming week or so, I think we're going down. So yeah.
You said something very interesting, and I'm going to ask you something. You said probably it's rallying up any symbol. I'm just asking in general.
Yeah.
It's going up until it creates a double top.
Mhm.
And I usually look for, when it changes the trend, I
Mhm.
always look for double tops. And I appreciate sometimes in a specific symbol,
Mhm.
double tops are always the second leg of the double top. It's always
Mhm.
higher than the first one.
Yeah,
In some of the
slightly higher.
symbols, yeah, but in some of the symbols, and I'm just talking about indexes or metals,
Mhm.
the second leg is always lower. When I say always, is mostly like
The first one you're talking Nasdaq, the second one you're talking gold, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
and
because like
and the
I
first
know
one
this behavior.
I
Yeah,
also talk DAX, the
yeah.
index, Germany
DAX
index.
moves very well with Nasdaq. By the way, it has a very similar,
Yeah, that's why I
very similar
find when
behavior.
I've been trading DAX first thing in the morning in the European session before it opens, they are quite correlated at this moment
Yeah,
before
look
London
what
session
happened here.
open.
That's the exact same example. It
Yeah.
just like wicked above, like
Hmm.
very slightly
Yeah.
above 100.4, and then look what happened. It broke below. So if it closes here, that's a double top on the DXY, which is the
Hmm.
dollar. If it closes here, I think like that's a reversal in this trend at least. So we might see a retest of the lows, which is around 97, 96 point something, which might shoot up the euro to 1.17, 1.16,
Hmm.
1.19 even. We'll have to wait and see. And it aligns with the fundamental analysis and the fundamentals around, um, which are mainly that um, next week we have a Fed interest rate decision where markets are expecting almost 90% chance of a rate cut. So they're cutting rates, which means weaker US dollar and stronger everything else. So that's what I think will happen. We'll retest the lows until we see how the new uh, or the new year starts, or let's see how this year ends first, and then we'll see
Yes.
how how next year
How it
starts.
goes.
Yeah, let's see how this one goes. Someone is saying, I think gold is going for Asia high and will give a down push after taking Asia high, and I'm looking for a downside trade. What's your thoughts? Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah. Um, when to look for a coach or mentor, as I am new to trading and finding best resources and learning through books and YouTube. Any guidance? Yeah, learn through books. Do not learn through YouTube. That's number one. Number two, if you want like when to look for a coach or a mentor, right away. You need a proper mentor. You need a proper coach, because um, the thing about trading and mistakes in trading is the beliefs or the belief systems that we build, which sometimes can make a lot of sense while being wrong at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. Let me try to explain it. Um, when I train people on trading, or when I teach them how to trade, I prefer people who do not have a background on trading, because
Mm.
most of the traders that come to me, they learned like 1,000 things which do not work, and like they're all getting the information from YouTube, from people who do not even have the qualifications to teach. They come to me with the stupidest belief systems, like, yeah, it did this, so it has to do this. Nothing has to happen. No, the market does not owe you anything because some ICT guy told you something. No, it does not owe you anything. You need to flow with the market. So when you ask me when is the best time, right from the beginning, man. I think right from the beginning, because I don't want you to like just get confused with people online and the gurus online, because they will ruin your brain, and you will have, and their mistakes. That's what I was trying to say. Their mistakes or their wrong belief systems actually make sense. Like they convince you with their belief systems, so you start to get convinced. For example, the Elliott wave theory. Elliott wave theory is great, but it's not tradable. I say this from experience. It is not tradable. It is a great tool to know where you are in the market. But a lot of people use um, Elliott wave theory to actually time entries, or time at the end of a wave or something. This does not work. Why? Because first of all, that's not why Elliott created the Elliott wave theory. That's number one. Number two, when you start counting waves, and like it makes a lot of sense when you start counting, by the way. Like it feels good when you count. You feel that you're in control and the market has to do this next. Then what happens? It does not. So your whole belief system goes to the ground and you start counting again. That's just an example. Anything, like any tool, any belief system could cause you the same problems. So my advice is get a mentor right away. I hope this was helpful. I don't know. Did I make sense? Because
You
yeah.
did.
Okay, good.
And it's important. Some people think not having a mentor, so they can do it themselves, and it's okay. You can do it yourself,
Yeah,
but there's three variables. It's time, knowledge, and money.
yeah,
And you don't usually have them, the three of them, at the same time.
exactly.
So, uh, because when you are young, you don't have money, but you
But we
have
have
time,
time.
but you don't have knowledge. So, if you take an I mean, if you look for a good mentor, it's important because you might pay some dollars, a few dollars, but it'll speed up your process, which
Yeah,
you save time. And the only
and
thing
it prevents you
we
from
don't
making
have.
mistakes, and prevents
Sorry.
you from making.
I'll,
Yeah,
I'll
and it
prevent you
prevents you from.
from, yeah,
Yeah,
from mistakes, from making mistakes, and you can learn from someone. So you will save some time. And people, sometimes they don't appreciate time. It's not like
yeah,
money, but it's the only finite thing we have, like
yeah,
money. We can't. I mean, um, time is the only. Sorry, money. Time is the only finite thing we have. So it's limited.
yeah,
So if you can save some time just by paying someone, but an appropriate someone,
yeah,
um, I think is the way to learn. We have all been to school.
Yeah,
It saves time. You learn,
exactly,
that's it.
exactly.
So people that usually don't go to school, usually maybe they are
They might
smarter.
be able
They,
to understand how electricity works, but it
I
will
know,
take them more time than just going and learning
yeah,
how. Yeah,
yeah. So it's faster when you are with a mentor,
yeah.
hand on hand. But it's difficult sometimes to find a mentor. That's something, yeah. Internet doesn't help.
Does not. No, it ruins
It's
things.
not. But it's easy.
Hmm.
No lights.
It's very easy for yeah, it's very easy for anyone to just mount a phone and start talking, and
Yeah,
yeah, people would understand. Yeah, because he's appearing on a screen. He must know
yeah.
what he's talking about. No, he does not.
No, no, he's not. And usually, honestly, the only thing you have to ask about a mentor is to see him or her just taking trades on screen, not
Yeah,
showing how a trade is going that he took like
or
3 days
screenshots.
ago.
Yeah, or screenshots.
Live streaming, yeah, live streaming,
That's what we do here. That's what we do on Trading
yeah,
TV.
yeah,
Like I think everyone here, if you watch us continuously, I think everyone knows how Rosa trades. Everyone knows how I trade. Everyone knows how X and Y and Z trade. So
mm,
uh, that's a good place to start. By the way, Trading TV is a great place to start. I wish I had something close to Trading TV when I started, but yeah, you have it, and it's free. So
mm.
whatever you need, just ask, and whoever is on the live stream will be more than happy to answer you. I'm sure. Okay, what's happening here? Someone
Positive community. Yep.
mentor
Just
helps
speaks.
in helping out people or their students in detecting mistakes the student is about to make. Exactly, yes. Plus,
Mm,
they hold their students accountable. So when you know that you will need to revise your or go through your journal with someone, a mentor, you will think twice before making a mistake or before like going crazy. So yeah, I think that's a good point. Accountability. I am trading 15. Can you tell me the bias? Actually, I don't know. Yeah, so far it's bullish, but I'm
mm.
expecting bearish. Um, I cannot confirm yet. That's why I'm not in a trade. If I knew, I would have entered. Um,
Yeah, it keeps going up, but I don't see up until when. So not because I'm not eager to trade today, but just because I don't have any opportunity either. So we have to wait.
yeah, yeah, we will have to wait because I don't like how the market looks now, and we have a double top here, a pattern on DXY.
Mm,
So, by the way, guys, if you don't know how to measure the target of a double top, let me show you. So, what you do is you do this. You see from the head to the neckline, and then from the breakout, from the neckline, we will most likely see 97, which is what I just mentioned earlier. So that's how you measure the those technical analysis patterns. That's how you measure them. That's a measuring technique. Plus, if it coincides with what's it called, a Fibonacci level, for example, that would make it even stronger. So let's check here. We go and draw our Fibonacci. So yeah, this area coincides with this, which is the 61.8, which is phi, which is the golden ratio. That's a very strong zone here. Um, Let me check if it's a moving average on a higher time frame. No, it's not on the daily. Yep, it's here on the weekly. So yeah, there it is. It is no, not even. It's below.
mm.
No, no, it's below. So yeah, if this closes today below this area, I think we're going to 97.5, 97.8, something like that. And from there, I will take a look at euro and see if I have any opportunities to re-enter my trade, which is they trade to below parity. What indicator? That's not an indicator. That's just a trend line. I just drew it and like I dragged it downwards.
If gold keeps going up a little bit more, just to high of Asia's high,
Yeah.
if you see gold, the first time it got there, like that was the yesterday.
You mean
Yesterday,
230 or 227, right?
like yeah, 227, 29, 30.
Yeah, that's Asia high, which is
Yeah,
227. Yeah.
that was New York high yesterday. That
Mm-hmm.
was the yesterday high,
Correct.
and then it went down. How
Very
much?
strongly.
Yeah, but it's important the ratios in when we are talking gold, like 607, 672 pips.
Hmm.
600 pips, 600. Okay, just
Which
to
is
round up.
$60. Yeah.
Last night it went up to the same area and then it dropped. We said
Yeah.
600. It dropped again. That's why. Sorry, I was. It. What's going on? It dropped half of this, like 300 points. Can you see that?
You
I don't
mean this?
know.
You mean this one here
Let me check.
to 195?
Where are you? There, and where are you measuring from?
I'm measuring from
Yes, from
Asia's
this.
height. Yeah.
Yeah, it's half.
It's half
It's
of this.
around 300 pips, if I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken. Let me just check it here.
Yeah. Here it's $70, 700 pips, and here it's 40
Yeah,
some 35.
it's half.
Yeah,
So
35, 70 and 35. Yeah, correct.
so now it's in Asia's high right now.
Yeah.
If it's going down, I won't expect for gold, at least for my target, to be
Mm.
more than 150. Again, half of the second time it hit. It doesn't mean it's going to be a half, like 150 pips. It's how much I'm expecting. And if
Mm.
I would enter short, I wouldn't expect any more than 150 pips top.
Yeah. So remember what I said in the beginning about gold.
Hmm?
If it keeps going to like if it breaks Asia's high,
Yeah,
which is 30,
which is
and
we did.
closes, yeah, and closes above,
Hmm.
I would be looking to go all the way to 55, 57. So I believe this will look something like this. Like we
55,
have the first
57
leg
makes
of the
sense. Yeah.
correction, the second one, and the third one, which
Hmm.
would make like a double top here.
Uh,
Let me see if I can catch any trades here. Okay, so what I wanted to do for me to enter is to like retest this trend line, which has been going up from 195. So I think anywhere around 240. Oh my God, 214.
yeah.
That's your number. Oh wow, she reads into the future. Nice.
Don't enter a short now, please. No one.
No, no one. No, we're not entering any shorts. We're waiting to buy.
At least for now, I'm just trying to understand what's going on with gold now.
Yeah. Can you hear that?
Yes, that's an alert. You've made money.
No, no. It just spoke. It's just alerting me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know, I know. It's the alert you said that like,
Yeah.
earlier. Okay, now it's rejected.
I'm
Fantastic.
actually out of
Right
market.
there.
I only have my gold trade now, the one from 4010. That's the only trade I have right now. Someone asked, "What did you do with your Euro USD?" I got stopped out today at 1.1660, but like I didn't lose any money. I was almost at break even, and I had positive swaps, so it compensated for the small loss that I closed. So yeah, I went out at break even. I'll be waiting for another chance. Hopefully soon. Hopefully, like I'll get even a better price near the very
Hmm.
top. We'll see.
And how to use this single big candle? Someone, funny village boy is asking, doing nothing.
Yeah, this one we took it from Sai. Uh, Go to ICT, HTF candles, Fadi, and then just play around with the settings. That's it. I only have the 4 hour candle here. Okay, I'm long from 200. Should I hold for 57, please? Yeah, someone is saying, is
Hmm.
telling me they're long.
Yeah, from 200 it's fine.
Yeah, just like place your stop at break even, and
Hmm.
just wait for it. If you see a reversal here, somewhere around here, I would like close and like exit or lock in profits. But so far, it's still good. But why not just trail your stop? For example, you can place your stop, for example, at 210, and you'll be very safe. And even if your stop loss hits, you'll go out with like you'll go home with 100 pips. That's just
Yeah,
a suggestion.
200 pips, it's a lot.
Now it's 350 pips, but he can just place his stop here below
Hmm.
210,
Yeah.
and he'll go home with 100 pips. That's amazing. That's better than most traders want even. Okay. Yeah. Um, Unfortunately, I don't think we will have uh, anything before. No, I don't think we'll get any setups before like 2 hours from 2 hours from now. Yeah, I think it will need 2 hours to cook.
Hmm.
What about gold now? Broke the previous day? No, not yet. The previous day is at where is it? Is it did it actually break?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it broke. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He broke it, yeah.
Yeah. Then yeah, I wouldn't bet on gold anymore.
No, it's waiting time.
You want to see something crazy? Look at silver. You know how much it went up since the beginning of November? 30%, or
Oh,
29%. Imagine.
yeah.
That's crazy. So silver is very bullish. I'm expecting this correction on gold because I told you I'm trying to visualize a triangle, but if it's not a triangle, I'll just keep holding my trade to TP and that's it. I will not re-enter.
Hmm.
Yeah, but I hope it corrects because like trading ranges or like positioning while the market is ranging is the best thing ever. You can play around with your risk reward. You can fix your like it's like if you know what you're doing, it's a great thing to have.
Yeah, I
Um,
don't know how to do that, by the way, honestly. In
which
a
is what,
range,
yeah,
simple. I don't know. I get crazy when it's ranging. I go
yeah, because
crazy.
maybe like you used to like moving fast, So I
Yeah,
think that's,
momentum very fast.
yeah. But I'm used to boring market
Mm.
conditions and like just waiting for weeks. So yeah, sometimes I just have enough time to think. So unlike if you trade on 1 minute, so I have much time to think, and I just make scenarios in my head. If it goes
Mm.
back there and I enter with half of the position size and place my stop loss up below this low, what would happen? How much would I lose? How much
Yeah, that,
would I be risking? And I just like make the whole calculation. That's just like, I don't know. You know how you have fun on your phone or just play a game. That's my kind of fun. I like to
yeah.
do those calculations. And if I'm really like bored, I do it without a calculator. I just keep doing it in my head.
Now it got to
Just
a
to have,
level that it might reject at least 50 to 70
yeah.
points. It might. I'm not entering the market. It's too
I
bullish. It's
think
too
I'm not
strong.
either.
But from this
I wouldn't
high,
buy.
it could retrace at least, yeah, even 75 pips. But I won't go in, that's for sure.
Hmm.
Not today.
Hilal Khan, you can lock in your profits now if you want. It's a good area. Till where do you expect Bitcoin will fall? I think it's done falling. Let me check. Last time I checked, yeah, look at the daily here.
I never pulled a chart, a BTC chart.
You never what?
Pulled up a chart. I never seen a chart. I mean, I don't pay attention to cryptos.
Why not?
I
It's
don't know
fun.
why.
It's
Yeah, but
fun.
it's
Yeah. So guys, here we had a rejection, and then we had an engulfing candle, which is a reversal candle, and then we went up. We ruined this. Then we had the correction, which is almost a double bottom, and then we had this engulfing candle again. So it might go back to 90,000 or 89,000 to retest, and then continue going up. How do I know it's if it's done or not? I'll wait for something that looks like this.
it's already 50 points down from what I got. I told
Uh-huh. Okay.
you already, so done.
So I want to see it do this, talking about Bitcoin, of course. I want to see it go above this trend line, close above, preferably above this moving average as well, and then go back to retest and retest this trend line from the outside. So here, and then once it breaks this level or this area, I would consider buying with stops below this level, targeting new all-time highs. Um, why am I talking about new all-time highs? Because it's still in an uptrend. Nothing changed. Yeah, that's a big correction, correct, but still we're in an uptrend, as you can see here. Where might Bitcoin go if it decided to go crazy? Yeah, so if we saw a crash on Bitcoin and it decided to go crazy on this correction, we might see 60,000 again. But I doubt, because it got rejected from this. So let's wait and see. Would I buy Bitcoin here? No. Would I sell Bitcoin? No. I would just wait to see my setup, or get at least any kind of confirmation. So yeah, your 75 points or
Yeah,
75 pips are here. They're done.
mm,
Okay, actually, that's interesting here. Let me see if I can catch something on this. 38 stops. Yeah, this is actually. Um, So it's tempting.
It's 100 already, at least 50 more. Do you remember I said when it retraces, I'm expecting a 150 points
Yeah.
retracement because it's the third bit. So it's
Yeah. It's not
120.
even giving me the chance. It reached my TP.
Oh,
It didn't
okay.
even give me the chance to enter. Like I wanted like a retest here, and then I enter with TP here, but
So
no.
for a buy, I'll enter in 30 more pips. When
30
it
more pips
reaches,
to the
yeah,
downside,
when
which
it
is here.
reaches, yeah, downside. When it reaches the 150, if it doesn't reach the 150 pips, I said before, I'll do nothing
Mm-hmm.
because it's the third time it's rejecting, and gold usually moves in 3 bits, so it's about to be 150, 130.
So we want 25, which is exactly my TP. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a
Uh,
if you'd like to go buy. Um, the level was very clear.
okay, so guys, for those of you who are asking about the news, we just had the ADP non-farm employment change numbers coming in. So that's a labor's market number from the US. The previous was 47,000. The forecast was 5,000. The actual came in at minus 32,000. So that's very negative for the labor's market, which increases the odds of a rate cut next week. That's why we're seeing the XY is going, it's dropping. So I think this was priced in. That's why we saw the XY breaking before this news release. This was released like an hour ago. So we have we have a speech for Trump tonight. So I also have the ISM non-manufacturing PMI and prices in 51 minutes. That might do something to the market. I think I'll start looking for buys here.
Yeah, to
17. 17 is my first. What do you think of 17, Rosa?
yeah, I'm just looking at it. 17. It should be able to retrace now.
Um, it should reverse to the upside now.
At least
No?
a little bit, yeah. I don't see why not. From the low now in 1 minute, at least 60, 70 up to
I think the minimum target should be here.
42,
But
30. I'm expecting a 30 now in a reversal, but it's taking longer than it should do it now. There was some news coming up, you said now?
Like it's coming in 15 minutes, not now.
Oh, 15 minutes. Okay.
50.
50.
But
Oh, 50. Okay,
yeah,
nearly
yeah,
an
so
hour.
we still have time, yeah. But maybe an hour ago or less than an hour ago, we had this um, number about the labor's market,
Hmm.
which the labor market is not doing very well in the US. So they cut rates to boost the labor market. So does anyone know why this is the case?
I don't.
Let me check if anyone in the chat knows because I explained it maybe 100 times.
Yeah.
So let me see if anyone remembers. Um, okay.
Why it's not moving there? Okay, again.
Okay, so let me connect it for you guys. Because brain, sometimes on other occasions, I'm new, industrial production, news in 3 minutes about the case. Okay, so let me explain it to you and like let's just like use our time while we wait for gold. I think this looks promising. Let me see. No, no, not really. Forget about it. Anyway, so let me connect this for you guys. So when the labor market is weak, why do they cut rates? Let's go to the root cause, which is when rates are high, companies, most of the companies, except for the cash-rich companies, use debt. They borrow money to operate, okay, to expand, to operate, and to even to like hire people. So when the rate of borrowing or the cost of borrowing is high, they lay off people to cut costs. But when rates go down, the margins for those of those companies go up because the cost of borrowing went down, so they have more money to move with, so they start hiring again. That's why when you lower rates, you help the labor market, and vice versa. That's it.
Easy.
Yeah.
It's thinking too
So
much in this level now. Don't
yeah,
like it. But it
but
should
but
move.
I think we still have one more low.
Yeah, but it's
We're reaching 217, I think.
I wasn't expecting that, so I'm expecting just to reach 47 and then go down again.
You mean 47 here?
Uh, 22.47. Yeah,
22 or 42, you mean?
40, 42,
Okay.
27,
Okay.
and then go down, but at least this bit.
Haha. Okay, so guys, let's use the time. Do you have any questions? Yeah, Forex Club is saying you told this maybe 200 times. I
Yeah,
agree, yeah.
and every time, I honestly, I completely forgot every time. It's because
Uh,
that's too difficult for me to remember.
you know when like you try to understand the like
Okay, now
cause
closed.
and effect,
All right, that's it.
it just stays in your head. It's very hard to forget something that you understand. Just like trading, when you understand
Yeah.
something, it's very you don't need to remember anything. It's just there.
Okay, it hit the level. I
Okay.
closed the trades. So
Oh, you're trading.
yeah,
Oh,
Very low risk, but I need to test it myself. And now it can go down or up. I think it'll keep going down a little bit more from there, 30.
which is the moving average, 30.5. I
Oh,
agree.
really? Okay.
That's the 20-day moving average or 20 period moving
30
average.
point, yeah, 30.9 is what I had, and it rejected 12, 15, 20 points already.
Yeah.
Spot on. Okay, I'm feeling confident. Feeling confident. Okay.
Um, Someone is saying they bought an account. KYC is blocking me to trade. Can you please send something to the support team? I think they'll solve
Yes.
it for you. Unless you're trading from a high risk country. Um, I don't know.
Okay, I'll start closing accounts because I'm copying across many accounts. One, two, anyway. Okay, now it's reversing. Happy again.
Hmm. See, it works. What you know works.
No, I know, but sometimes it's so. Honestly, it's because I'm copying across many accounts now,
Hmm.
many accounts, and some of them are personal with more or less money, different
Hmm.
risk management. This is something I usually do. That's why I'm very hard at myself when I'm not performing because most of the accounts I copy are my own accounts, are not prop firms.
Yeah, but you shouldn't be like so hard on yourself because sometimes it's good to look back and look at how good uh, you did before. So this helps me.
It's because I'm saving just to go to Dubai because you said it's so expensive.
No, no. How much are you saving? Like
Nah,
50,000? Come on.
nah.
How much are you saving?
It's just I thought, okay, a
How
hundred,
long are you staying? I'll tell you how much you need. How long are you staying?
because you said it's so expensive. I only can afford 2 days sleeping on
No,
an.
no, no. Really. Like, what's your plan? How long do you want to go?
No, I'd like to visit it by myself, like 3, 4 days. I think it'll be enough, like just to
Yeah, 4 days, like 5 days. Yeah, is good.
five.
5 days is good.
Yeah,
I
five
think
days at least, 500, 600,
to to enjoy Dubai, I think you will need around $500 a day. So that's
or even more
2,500.
because the hotels and
Yeah, I'm talking about no,
yeah,
I'm not talking about anything else. You still have tickets, you still have the hotel, you still have transportation, which is very expensive. But no,
yeah.
actually, you know what? You can like this is included with the $500 a day. Unless you want to travel from Sharjah to Abu Dhabi to Dubai in the same day, then you will
Mm.
need $500 only for transportation. That's something else.
Wow, it's very expensive then.
Yeah,
Transportation, I mean.
yeah, but if you want to move across the whole country, yeah, but
Yeah.
you will not do that. No one does that.
No, no,
So
I wouldn't do that.
yeah, so you know what? A great place to go would be Abu Dhabi because it has Ferrari World, and soon they will have
Which I know nothing about cars. So
yeah, but it's like an
nothing.
amusement park. So
Oh, okay. But
yeah,
I'm going myself, so it's like am I going
yeah,
to
just
an
go. Come
amusement
on,
park?
no, you can go by yourself and have so much fun because uh, this Ferrari World thing, they have the fastest roller coaster in the world,
Okay.
so that's fun. And also they have some museums which are really nice in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is a much nicer place than Dubai for me. Um, it has more culture, I feel, and it's very very luxurious, more than Dubai even.
That's why I'm so obsessed because no, I'm just kidding. So, but yeah, I have to go there at some point.
Yeah, I don't know about the tickets, but I think you can find some good flights from Spain to
Yeah,
Dubai.
they're not. If I looking at a little bit in advance, it's around $500-600.
Yeah, that's that
So
a round trip.
it's not really bad.
Round trip.
Yeah, round trip. Yeah,
Yeah, that's great. It's
yeah, yeah.
even
It's
cheaper
not bad at
than
all.
going from Jordan.
Okay, I expect a sell now, dropping a little bit. Let's see how it
So
goes.
from 26.5.
hmm
Yeah.
Just because I think it has to test a few levels down below. Not sure.
Yo, so back to Dubai. What was I saying? So that's that, and you still have the hotels. Like you need, I think, around $100 to $150 a night,
Hmm.
like in a like normal hotel. It's good,
Hmm.
but not very luxurious. Because like there are some places that you can pay $10,000 a night, but
I don't need that,
we
honestly.
we don't need. No, I wouldn't do that. That's crazy. I'll be sleeping most of the time. Like it's eight
Yeah,
hours out of the 24 hours. I'll be sleeping. No,
yeah.
sleeping shouldn't cost this much.
And I'm
But
not very. I mean, I don't like luxury too much. I'm very savvy person. Like I like to save money.
no, I
So
like
I don't
luxury, but
usually
sometimes
spend in
it does
many
not make
things.
sense. Sometimes like some things don't make sense. Imagine like like you pay. Let me calculate it now. So what's one third of the $10,000 a night, which is $3,300, right?
hmm
Imagine paying $3,300 to sleep. No, I'm not doing that. God gave it to me for free, so I'm not paying for it
Yeah.
anymore. No.
Yeah.
So that's what does not make sense to me sometimes. But if you go to a very like nice place and you live an experience in that place, even if it's like not only about the food or the whole thing, no, the whole luxury experience, yeah, I would pay for that.
Hmm.
But for sleeping, no, I wouldn't. So I think $5,000 would be great for the whole trip, for the whole 5 days.
Fantastic. That's how much I have to make every day
Yeah,
for for a week, and then I'll be able to go.
you have to make it. You have to make 25,000 so that you can go and spend
Yeah.
5,000.
Yeah.
Who gave like who made this rule? You?
Me. I'm a very savvy person. Yeah. So
Okay.
whenever I want something, imagine before buying absolute anything, I do my spreadsheet
Yeah.
and I calculate what's the ROI, what's the amortization plan, and everything for anything I have to buy.
Yeah, that's
So
that's that's how it should be actually.
that I mean, I maybe it's a bit extreme, but if
No,
I
no,
I
no,
don't
no,
know
no,
if
no, no.
I want a new
That's
iPhone
budgeting.
or a new phone, and I say, okay, I'm gonna buy a
Oh,
phone
okay.
for
So no,
I
a
don't know.
phone is I think is too much. A phone is like what is it like $1,000? Come on.
Oh no, no, even for that, it's like, do I
Ah,
really need it? I need it or I want it. If I want it, I'll wait a little bit more. If I need it, I'll buy straight away. But if it's
financial
just a
literacy,
matter,
ladies and gentlemen. This is financial literacy. When you know the difference between a want and a need, I think you're set for life. You understand what money is. No, honestly,
then
I'm
no one
being
wants to
honest.
be with me.
No, it makes sense. It makes sense because like I understand what you're saying because that's part of being smart with money. Like not everything is a need. Most of what we spend our money on is wants.
Yeah, it's just
So
because you want it, or
yeah,
it's fashionable now, or it's in the mainstream, or things like that.
yeah,
So
yeah.
if
Sometimes a want can become a need, depending on the situation.
Oh
But
yeah,
like for example, if you live in a, I don't know, in a busy city or downtown, you don't need a car. That's a want.
yeah.
But if you live in a very far away area, you will need a car. That's not a want. That's a
Yeah,
need.
that's an it.
So
Then I
mm,
go and buy straight away and I pay
exactly.
cash.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think about it. I go and I buy. That's why I
Needs
have
are
to
needs.
save money
They're
because if my
non-negotiable.
car, if let's say my car breaks tomorrow, I go the day after and I buy a new one. That's it. No, I don't
Yeah.
have to go to my bank if I have money. I don't know. I don't ask for credit. I just pay it down because it's a need. That's why
Yeah.
I have to save a lot of money. But if it's something I want, but I don't need it, I just think it twice. It's not like I don't do it, but do I really need it now?
Yeah.
No.
No,
Let's
I
go
think
wait another week.
with someone who thinks like you, and like Dubai would cost you even less than this.
Probably for me.
Yeah.
If I go to Dubai,
She
there's
will go
things I'd
home with
like
more
to
money
do.
than with what she came with. You go with 5,000, go back with 10.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. That's how smart she is with money, guys.
Yeah, I went on a travel many years ago, 6 months traveling around the world and on my own. And yeah, it didn't cost me a dime because
How come?
not because I went to a hotel, for instance, and I said, do you have anything I could help you with so I can stay here for free? And it wasn't
Hmm.
because I didn't have any money, that's for sure. I mean, I did have, but I have some free time. Can I help you with something? And they always said yes, and they allowed me to stay for free. Hotels, motels,
Hmm.
Airbnbs, things like that. And I stayed for free 15 days in a hotel in Malaysia, just doing nothing. I had to stay there, and while I was
Washing dishes, huh?
trading, uh,
Washing dishes.
no, just I. They hired me like the person in the when people coming. I just had to welcome the people,
Yeah.
like one person a day or something like that, because it was a very small
Yeah.
hotel, or two people a day, and then that's it. And I had
Hmm.
free food, very nice food, because I would go with the owner to buy the food, and I stayed there for free. And they said, "Oh, you're very nice. You could help people, welcome people here. Say it's fine. I have free time.
Hmm.
I spent.
I never
I
thought
had."
about this. I didn't know this was an option even.
And it got me the chance to meet people, to talk a lot and live with locals, like know the lifestyle of local people.
Hmm.
And anyway, I didn't have anything to do other than read or study, or because I was on a trip by myself, just
Hmm.
enjoying life. So that's why I did it. So yeah, I came back with more money. I didn't spend much. Like,
Yeah. So you will go back with more money from Dubai.
yeah,
We now know. No need
if
to
I'm
save
not,
or anything. Just go. Like that's an investment, not even like.
yeah, that's an investment. I came back with. I spent in 6 months. I spent from my own money $2,000. So
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah, and six
Hmm.
months traveling the world. So yeah, that's why I need twenty
I
five
didn't know you
thousand.
can do that. I didn't know. I didn't know.
I didn't either, but I was because if you travel on your own, I mean you have time, and
Yeah.
I love being with among locals.
Hmm.
So I did go shopping with them, things like that. So you understand the
That's very
culture.
European.
Yeah, very
That
European.
what you just said is very European.
It's so
We don't like
European.
that. No, we don't do that.
Yeah, it's like,
No,
why
we
the
don't do
hell
that.
I'm gonna be amongst locals. I wanna
Yeah,
be amongst
I'll
rich
be
people.
on my own. I don't know
Yeah.
them. I don't know those people. No, I God knows what they'll
Why
cook
should
me
I
or do
even
anything.
talk to
No,
you, right?
no, no, no.
Yeah, this is very, very, very European.
Very European. Yeah.
So I'll let you know when I've made 25,000, so I can spend 5,000.
No, I'll just know. I'll know. I'll know. because you'll be on the news, on the Emirati news.
Yeah, the first lady that came back with $1,000 and
Yeah,
went back home with 10,000, right?
yeah. It's very hard not to spend money in Dubai. Very hard.
It is very hard. So when I'm there, I'm gonna spend money because I want to, not because yeah, because it's like I'm in Dubai.
Yeah.
If you don't spend money there, I mean,
You know, I honestly don't know how many times I went to Dubai, but I lost count. But I never drove in Dubai. Do you know that?
no.
I wouldn't drive in Dubai. It's very hard. Like
Oh,
the
really?
street, yeah, if you miss an exit, you need to go maybe to Saudi Arabia to just like fix the mistake that you made.
Hmm.
It's very, very like I don't know. It's too connected, and I'm not used to this. So no, I'd rather have a driver or something, or like just use Uber.
Wow.
I wouldn't drive there. When you go, I think you will understand what I mean.
Yeah, what you mean?
Yeah, it's no. And you know what? I'm not the type of person who likes to drive anyway.
Hmm.
Um, like even when I was younger, I never liked to drive. I hate traffic. I don't like
Oh,
driving.
you get
So
nervous?
no, I don't get nervous. I get angry.
Yeah. Okay. Which is
Yeah.
even worse.
So it's not good for other people. It's good for me. I don't mind. Like, but
Hmm.
it's bad for the people around.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Um,
Wow, gold's going up again. Oh my God.
yeah. I missed the entry. I wanted to enter around like 217, but I just
Hmm.
missed. But I gave two good entries here, to be honest.
Hmm.
But which is 22 was a good entry with stops at 220, and another one here at 24 with stops below 22. So
Yeah.
two good entries, but not my entries, not the price I wanted.
Hmm.
So I'm not chasing. Either it comes to me or it's not meant for me.
Wow, it's pushing hard. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. I think now we're going to let me check. We are going now to 46, 47,
Hmm.
and then we'll see what will happen there.
Wow. 7.
By the way, it's going up because DXY is dropping. It's
Okay.
dropping. It's dropping hard. Even euro is going up. Yeah, no regrets. Mhm.
It dropped. It dropped to 170, 200 points. I was expecting 150. That means it might be a new cycle.
To the upside, you mean, right?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree. Like it dropped really hard from 40 to like 220 point. Yeah, 220 points. So I think that's a good correction for this trend.
Hmm. So,
We have a speed line here. So yeah, back to our subject, which is not related to trading. Uh, yeah, I don't like driving in traffic, but sometimes, like very, I don't know, very rarely, I enjoy driving when on Fridays because the streets are empty. I work on Fridays, but the whole country is off.
Mm.
So very early in the morning on Fridays, it's amazing. Streets are empty. You can
Why on Fridays? So
on
people don't usually work on Fridays?
no, not in Jordan.
Oh, okay.
They work from Sunday to
Oh,
um,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
okay, yeah.
and Sunday to Thursday. But because I trade, I work
Mm,
from Monday to Friday.
mhm.
So on Friday, the streets are amazing. It's empty. You can go crazy. You can just like
Yeah,
no,
it's,
no, we don't do that. No, I'm sorry, I said that. I don't go crazy in driving. We don't go fast. We don't do anything stupid. No, God knows who's listening now, kids or something. No,
yeah. No, no, no kids listening.
no, forget about that. I was lying. Could you please give us a crash course on futures trading? I think
um,
this is for you, Rosa.
a crash course on futures trading and give us tips on what a beginner should start off with.
Hmm.
Um, Futures is not easy as such for a beginner. That's one thing. And I wouldn't start trading futures as a day trader because it's too risky and you have to be very fast executing
Rosa,
and
sorry for cutting
thinking.
you off. Can you take a look at gold?
What's the okay? Bear with me. Oh, oh wow!
Yeah, 100
Again,
pips in less than a minute.
yeah.
That's impulsive. Yeah, that's impulsive to the downside. Let me check. You can go on, Rosa, to answer your question, but I wanted you to see.
Yeah. I'm just checking a few things. So it's difficult to start with futures. I would start something with something cheaper, like forex.
CFDs,
Thinking
yeah.
about moving on to futures in the not as a starter point. And if you do so, just understanding um, the risk is high. So because in futures, if you go above 1 minute, you you have a lot of money. You need a lot of money just to trade with. Did you sell? I'm about to.
No, I didn't do anything. If
What
you're
happened
asking.
then?
Ah, okay. 1 second. I think it's the news. No.
I don't know.
Let me check. 1 second. No, it's not the news.
No, it's not.
News are coming out in 6 minutes. That's
Oh,
S&P
okay.
Global Services PMI. Um, yeah, it makes sense that it starts going crazy before news, but
Yeah, but that's a lot of craziness going on.
yeah.
Okay, let's see. What's going on here? I was expecting gold to drop to 42.10.
42.10.
Hmm.
No, actually, my stop loss would have been at 42.10 or below, like slightly below. Yeah, that was just
Okay, there.
yeah, yeah. Did not close
Uh,
like this.
10 minutes.
Guess for news it came
Nasdaq.
down.
Someone in my group's a party at Nasdaq. Maybe it's going gold.
What's
Buy
happening in
gold.
Nasdaq? Yeah, it's dropping as expected. Yeah, it reached the 1 second. Let me go
Oh,
to Nasdaq. Yeah, it dropped. It even gave more than my target, which is 450.
Wow.
Yeah, it gave more than my target.
Wow.
So yeah,
That's
but now I think we caught the weakness, but now I think we'll start seeing some upward momentum on Nasdaq. Let me check.
And what about gold? You that you understand news.
Hmm. Gold is still going up, to be honest. Like, let me check. Like, even the divergence is not very major. I think we still have more upside. We're going to 47, 48.
Hmm.
1 minute. What does it show us? Yeah, it's totally fine. It's okay. Uh, Although we might see a drop to the trend line around 25, but that might never come.
Yeah, that's
Not never, like today or like this session. 3 minutes to go, and we have our S&P Global Services PMI.
3 minutes.
What is the difference between Forex and future? Just a different product. CFD Forex is basically short for foreign exchange, which is the foreign exchange market, the currencies market. But brokers or like retail brokers started calling everything Forex, which is
Mm.
gold, indices, currencies, but that's not correct. Forex originally is short for foreign exchange. So I think your question is, what's the difference between CFDs and futures? CFDs is basically a contract for difference. So when you say I want to buy gold, you're not buying actual gold, you're buying the value of gold. And whatever difference, either positive or negative, you get or pay that difference. So
Mm.
that's the CFD product. And future is a derivative, a financial derivative, that you agree with your broker or your liquidity provider that you're buying something in the future at a certain price, added with added swap points, with added premiums, whatever. So future, this contract can be traded. The contract that you will buy something in the future, the paper or the contract can be traded. That's future trading. It's basically the promise to buy something or sell something at a later time at a certain price. Yeah, so what else do we have? Rosa, since you do scalping, what is the rule in funding pips? Minimum time of single position to trade and exit.
2 minutes.
Okay.
But if the majority of your trades are not as a scalper, like are way more than 2 minutes, it's okay. If you have a bunch of trades under 2 minutes, I don't pay attention to that. So I just trade. And then sometimes I get an email saying this is high frequency trading, and they subtract the money I made from this specific trade. It's fine. It just broke a rule. It's fine. But the majority of my trades are over 2 minutes. But anyway, you should check with support, because this is the way I do it. But check with support the rules and make sure they allow you to do whatever you want to do. It's important. Gold is literally up and down, up and down. I don't know what's going to do. It's in 1 minute. News, 1 minute coming.
Someone is saying, I live in India and I want to trade Forex. That is illegal. Give me a solution. Prop is not forbidden in India. Okay, now the difference. What?
Okay, I'm out.
What do you drive? Okay. Guess. Nick Snabel. Guess, what do I drive? What do you think I drive?
A
Rosa is
Porsche.
a genius indeed.
A
Someone is
Porsche.
saying Rosa.
Ah?
No, but yeah, German.
So Rosa, since you do scalping, okay, yeah.
TP 4211.
And I want to trade in Forex. It's illegal. Oh, it's illegal, Forex? I think it's illegal
Nope,
in some of the
nope.
places.
You answered wrong. Nick, the guy who was asking, answered wrong.
Oh, I also said a Porsche, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a wrong answer. Although I'd like a Porsche. Yeah, why not? Maybe soon. 22, 22.5. I think I'm going in.
Buying?
Yeah. Live. Mm-hmm. Ah, come on.
Yeah, it went up again.
I wanted to enter at 24. You know what? I'll just enter here with half of my risk.
Okay, yeah.
And I'll have my stop at... Because the market is moving fast anyway, so I don't want to be in this trade for too long. So half the risk, and whatever happens, happens.
I still see gold going down a little bit, not so much.
I think the right stop would be... No, my stop loss is okay. No, I think it's okay. What did I want to do? I wanted to do something. Yeah, place a TP. So 40.
40?
Yeah. So 150 pips.
I'm still understanding what gold's doing now.
I think it's stopping me out in a bit. Okay.
21 down. I closed. Okay, closed.
Yeah, I'm stopped out.
Yeah, I enter a sell.
Bravo.
I'm still seeing
Well done.
the 10 just
Oh, really?
reaching up.
You
Yeah,
still think it will go to 10?
yeah. I just closed the cells. I traded funding ticks now. I closed the cells, but I'm still seeing gold's reaching 10 in before an hour. Oh, it's going there.
Yeah. It's going.
I should have left the bet. I was what I already had. So anyway, I closed it.
Yeah, that's also a double top here on the 1 minute. So we're going minimum to 10 if this one breaks. Yeah.
If it goes below 10, max level 200, and then crazy.
200.
200 and then up as crazy. But crazy.
Yeah.
That's my crystal ball
Good
saying
thing
that.
I entered with half of my risk. Um, it wasn't wrong, but it wasn't very like high probability trade.
If you want to give it another try, 10 is a nice level to go long.
Go long.
Yeah.
With
If it
stops where
breaches,
below
uh,
209.
well, 203 to me. Yeah.
Oh,
It's yeah. 20, if you enter
let's see.
206 minimum because I'm seeing
So the sorry for cutting you off. The
no.
S&P Global Services PMI came in negative, so
Okay.
more negativity on the US dollar. It's still above 50 though, so it's expansionary, but it's like lower than expected. So I think this would be like this would cause some negativity on the XY. Sorry, Rosa, all yours.
Oh no, just something's cooking. I mean, God's cooking an upward movement, but it will take on that. I mean, 10 point.
Yeah, look at the like the cluster of moving averages here. This is
Okay,
like
there we go. Yeah, the moving averages.
that's a
Let
very strong
me.
zone.
Okay, let me do this bigger. Okay, so I can see your screen. Okay, this is
I
5
agree.
minutes, and you've got some moving averages there, and yeah, moving averages. So number 10 is around there in your moving averages, right?
Yeah, it's 210.
Yeah.
That's exactly where I had my
Okay.
cursor.
I've got
Um,
some magnets at 10
hmm.
and then field anchor points at 10 as well. So that's why I
So your
was saying
stops
10
203.
to 10.
Your stops are at 203.
Yeah, I didn't enter because I don't have my my confirmation yet. It
Hmm.
might drop a little bit more. If I go long, I'll let you know the very moment.
We'll see. If it gives me another setup, I'll enter. We'll see. Why not?
All right.
Yep. It got to your point. Almost.
Hmm. It could go lower like 200, but just not because it wants to keep dropping. It needs some money at these levels, at the 200. Uh, um, 10, 12, 14. Okay. I nearly pay one day at Dubai already on
Uh-huh.
personal account with this
Right.
trade. So I'm just waiting, okay? I need some more some more trades like that one. Rejecting.
Hmm.
No, I don't buy it. I'll wait.
Yeah, it's too early to. Look, 208 now.
Yeah, it went past 10, so I'll wait. I might enter a little bit late, but I'll wait. Yeah, it's getting ready. Let me do something here. It's just dropping like crazy. It's like a
Yeah.
vertical.
Falling knife.
Hmm. Yeah, you said it right. Falling knife. It's the word. I don't feel confident just buying now.
No, we don't hold falling knives.
206 already.
209.
Yeah. Wow, 204, 209.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, but I'll wait. No, I don't.
I think if you enter here, the best stop loss would be below like or at around 4194.
4194
That's
for
the only stop loss that I can find that makes sense.
yes. Yeah.
Yeah, but
You're right.
you know that the 4 hour candle is closing soon,
Hmm.
in 3 minutes, I think, and it does not look good. Look, that's a
No.
rejection. So this might set the tone for the rest of the session. We might be going down for the rest of the session. So even though it
No.
broke yesterday's high, it went down.
No, no. It won't.
It won't.
No.
You think it's going up from here
No, it has to drop a little bit more.
to where? 200.
200. And it'll slippage a little bit just to uh, kill all the sellers there. And then it'll go up. When I say go up, it'll go up 40 points, between 30 and 60 points. So that's my target.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and if I miss the entry because it doesn't go lower, I'll wait. But I'm pretty sure it's going lower. Maybe now it retraces upwards and then it'll go down and then it'll go up like crazy.
On like this setup, exactly what we're seeing exactly in front of us now, I would
Yeah.
buy, but
Mm.
because the 4 hours looks like this, I wouldn't. I'd rather
Yeah.
stay out. I will not buy because I don't like how this 4 hour candle is closing.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So 110.
And now it's 80 points upwards. But I mean, the thing is, if I'm going counter trend, I'm not allowed to enter when it's falling, a falling knife, as you
Yeah,
said. So I have to wait until the prices stabilizes a little bit,
yeah,
and it'll do it. Even if a lot of people think now, oh, I've missed the trade, blah blah blah. No, you haven't missed anything. Uh, just wait. It'll drop a little bit more. Then is your chance.
yeah,
From this point now, the moment it creates lower low without going below the lowest low, you I mean 1 minute, okay? So in 1 minute we've got this lowest low that it created now at 205 kind of
yeah.
204. It has to create another one, and then is the setup ready? And it'll do it very, very soon. It'll go below this lower low.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it today. I
Yeah,
just
me too.
took one loss, and I don't think I'm not feeling I don't see it clearly, so I don't want it.
No, I won't wait, so I'm leaving as well.
Yeah, I would wait, but I think that's it for me for this session. I might take a look another after another hour,
Hmm.
but now no. I want, as you said, I want to see prices stabilize first.
Yeah.
Maybe then I'll take my shot. But for now, no. I don't think I'll do anything. By the way, this is a perfect buy setup for me. I will not enter.
Yeah, this is your setup. Yeah.
Yeah, I will not.
And for me, it has to drop a little bit more. Otherwise, I don't have setup. Yeah, the different scenarios. Okay.
Yeah. So
So,
that's it for today, guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was fun. We talked about, looking at the 4 hour candle again, it's not so bad. Or maybe that's my brain just convincing me to buy.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. No, no, I'm not buying. I'm not falling for this. No.
Go for a walk and then
Yeah, yeah, go for a
come
walk.
back.
Exactly. So thank you for tuning
Thank
in,
you,
guys.
Anna.
And thank you, Rosa, for
You
the
too.
insights and the wisdom that you have shared today.
Thank
I
you.
hope I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself and see you guys. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.